In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add objects in Adobe Acrobat. If you want to mark up a PDF quickly and clearly, Adobe Acrobat gives you a simple way to add visual symbols directly onto the page. This is especially useful when you're reviewing documents, giving feedback, or highlighting important areas without typing out extra notes. To begin, open the PDF you're currently editing in Adobe Acrobat. Make sure you're inside the document where you want to place the object and take a moment to scroll to the exact section of the page you'll be working on. That makes the process faster and helps you place your mark more accurately. Once your PDF is open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll want to find the icon that shows the letter A inside a dotted square. Click on that icon to open the annotation or markup options related to adding symbols and visual objects. This tool is designed for quick document review, so it's a handy feature to know if you work with PDFs often. After clicking that icon, you'll see that Adobe Acrobat gives you multiple objects you can add to the document. These include a check mark, a cross mark, a dot, a circle around, and a cross-out option. Each one serves a slightly different purpose, so the best choice depends on what you're trying to communicate in the PDF. For example, a check mark can be useful when something is approved or completed. A cross mark can show that something is incorrect or should be rejected. A dot may help draw attention to a small area. A circle around option is great when you want to highlight a specific word, number, or section without covering it up. And the cross out option is helpful when you want to indicate that certain content should be removed or ignored. When choosing your object, think about clarity. Use the symbol that will be most immediately understood by anyone else viewing the document. That way your feedback stays clean, fast, and easy to interpret. And that's all it takes to add an object in Adobe Acrobat. Open your PDF, click the A in the dotted square on the left-hand side, and select the object you want to use from the available options. It's a simple feature, but it can make your PDF reviews much more efficient and professional.